Alright, welcome to another video. This video I'm gonna show you how you can download or install Roblox on your PC or your laptop. So let's get into it. You're gonna have to open your browser and search for Roblox. You're gonna have to search for it and make sure you go to the official website. This is Roblox on roblox.com. And you're gonna have to log in. If you're not you're gonna have to log in with your account, or if you don't have an account you can just create one. And here I'm already logged in, so the next thing I'm gonna do is click on this. As you can see, explore Roblox in our desktop app. So you're gonna have to click on open. And now Roblox is loading. So now you're gonna have to click on download and install Roblox. It's easy, just click on it and wait for the download to start. And as you can see guys, it's very easy. So the next thing is you're gonna have to click on this to install. Just click. You can also read on the instructions right here. So you're gonna have to wait for it to load. And as you can see, connecting to Roblox. And right here, as you can see, it's installing right now. So you're gonna have to wait for maybe a minute. So guys, as you can see, it's almost complete. So let's wait for it to finish installing. And guys, as you can see right here, Roblox is successfully installed. As you can see, click the play button in any game to join the action. So that's all you gotta do now. So what you're gonna do is, if you want to play any of this, you're gonna have to just click on it. Let's say I want to play on speed run.
Yeah. listen up.
You can see, guys, it's already opened. And guys, as you can see, it's already opened right now, so you can start to play. It's very easy. So guys, that's how you can download Roblox on your PC or your laptop. So if you want to play any other if you want to play something else, you can just click on any of this and click on play, and then the application will open and you can start playing. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also click on the notification button. So thanks for watching.